How to save Instagram draft reels to gallery. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the plus icon on the bottom center of your screen and you will see the Reel option. Tap on that. Now, once you're in the Reel tab, you will see the Drafts option on top of your screen. Tap on that and then tap on the reel that you want to save to your gallery. You will then see the edit button in the interface that you would be led to. So tap on the edit button on the top right of your screen and then in the interface that you will be led to on the bottom toolbar, scroll through and you will see the option for download. Tap on that and with this, the reel will be saved on your device. Make sure that when you save the reel from Instagram, only the reel gets saved and the audio remains muted. So this is how you can save Instagram draft reels to your gallery. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.